Apple Watch Series 3 unboxing and review and comparison with a broken Series 1. Hey Siri, turn on the Mac cave lights. This is an Apple Watch Ultra Series 3. This is an Apple Watch Ultra Series 1 that is broken. We're going to unbox the new one, but first I'm going to talk about the original. Now, if you don't care about that, there are chapter markers down below, so skip forward if you just want to get on to the good stuff. I am generally pretty good with devices. I've only ever smashed up one phone screen. Dropped it on the ground. I've lost a few screen protectors in the time, but that's what they're there for. But yeah, I don't lose things. I take care of my devices. Oh, I've dropped it again. Nearly run it over with the chair, which means they last for a while. I get good mileage out of them. So this I've had since new, so that's about 4 years. My current phone is an iPhone 13, so that's 3 or 4 iterations behind current. If you've seen my laser engraving videos, then I've got a MacBook Pro there, which is from about 2011 attached to my laser. So that's a good 10, 12, 14-ish years old. Running in my workshop, it's absolutely fine. But this, this Gen 1 Apple Watch, I have managed to kill it. I was quite surprised, if I'm honest. I don't know if you can see. This is the old one. The crack in the ceramic that got so hot that it burned my wrist. There are things about this which are great, right? So integration with my Apple environment, so unlocking devices on this thing, amazing. Apple Pay, fantastic. Notifications and getting up to date what's going on, really, really good. There are things about this watch which are not brilliant, and I'm hoping maybe with the new one some of the things will be fixed. The first thing is it's really thick. It sits really high up on your wrist, which day to day, absolutely fine. Maybe it gets snagged from time to time when you're putting on your jacket or a rucksack or something. I cannot sleep with this thing, so I've had to take it off during the night, which means losing all of the sleep functions and all of that overnight health tracking stuff, because it's too big, it's too chunky, it's too uncomfortable. The second issue with this watch, the promise of the original Ultra, that this was the outdoorsy, Garmin killing outdoors watch that had everything you needed. Now, I'm a triathlete and I was excited by this because it promised to fix all the problems with the normal Apple Watch. But I'm sad to say it didn't fix any of those things. The touchscreen is still completely awful in the water. The auto transition feature just doesn't work, and fundamentally this is no use currently as a watch for triathlon. I had to fall back to my old Garmin 6, which has been absolutely just rock solid. It timed me during an Ironman all day, didn't even miss a beat. Whereas this thing, I have lost so many events trying to time with this. So, number 2, I'm hopeful the new Ultra watch maybe will resolve some of that. And finally, it's a weird thing, but I've always been just a bit disappointed with the watch faces on this. I'm kind of surprised how bad Apple has been at providing decent watch faces for these watches. And I'd just really like to see some new ones, some new interesting ones that work nicely with the watch, that just make the experience of wearing it and using it that bit better. I'm not sure it's going to come with the new Ultra. Maybe it comes with the new version of Watch OS. That would be really nice. That would be mega. With all that said, we're going to open the new one, compare that to the old one, come up with some considerations, and then go from there. Apple packaging has always been quite legendary. All of the packaging on this new Apple Watch is cardboard and paper, and that we should recycle it afterwards. Fair play for that. Quick start guide, clearly not going to read. That's the watch. That's the strap. That's kind of nice. Some sort of moody scene. Now for the important bit. Let's face it, any Apple product, these green tabs are the best bit. Case. Looks very nice. It looks very similar to the old one. That's a very similar form factor. I don't know if you can tell. It might be easier if I didn't have the strap on. Right, here we go. So this is the Series 1, and that is the new Series 3. They are very, very similar. The new one is thinner. Can you see this? Don't want my face in there. Right now, I have no idea. It looks cool though. It definitely looks cool. Give it that. That is for sure. That's the shiznit then, isn't it? Right. To attach band, slide until you hear it click. Look at this snappy, claspy thing. Right, Garmin. I'm sorry, Garmin, you're coming off. This is now going on. Apparently, dropped it on the ground. Right. So I need to do a 6 GB update on my phone in order to set up the new watch. I mean, what the? Yeah, I agree. Right. So what? 4 minutes remaining on the update. In the meantime, let's figure out what the hell is going on with this. It's quite fiddly, this. Right, so I've got to put that down. Is that in? Is it in yet? Right, we're on. Okay, we are there. I'm going to say that doesn't feel any less chunky. It's definitely as chunky. It looks really nice. The black case and even the black band, I think that's pretty good. I don't hate that. They've gone for a ribbed for her pleasure. That feels okay. That's alright actually. Yeah, I don't mind that. We just need to wait for... just can't wait. 46 seconds remaining on the update. Oh no, here we go, right. Hang on. No, we've done that. What, 10? No, talk amongst yourselves. Important updates, bug fixes, bloody blah, just get on with it. I'm just going to tidy up because right now there's nothing else happening. Oh, 4 seconds. It's good, Des. We'll wait, we're fine, we're good. We'll wait for the update. Apple's updates are great. It's a bit boring. Should have known. Can't even tell the time on this bloody thing. So I was forced to upgrade my phone to iOS 26. It failed, it did a thing, it said blah blah blah, plug it in, did that, it didn't work, I turned it off and on again, and then it spent the last 45 minutes and it's updated. Anyway, bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Alright, I've done that. What more do you want from me? Start pairing. Right, we're doing the whole pairy watchy thing. I'm gonna say this has not been as smooth to set this up as I might have expected. Yeah, you're upside down, you. Oh man alive. Right, so far this thing is no different, possibly slightly more annoying. It's taken me over an hour to do this. Kind of annoyed. Right, that has taken forever. So we are now up and running, the watch is working. Okay, so it's about a day later. So far it's fine. No major differences seen. Having unlocked my computers and stuff with the watch, having that back, that is huge. I'm so pleased to get that back. I actually slept with it okay. Said I slept well. I don't know, we'll see how that gets on. The watch face gallery, it's the same. It doesn't seem to have come on a long way. There aren't loads of new interesting watch faces. Bit disappointed there. So yeah, so far so okay. It's all right. The main question you'll probably be asking is it an upgrade? Like if you've got a Gen 1 or a Gen 2, is it worth upgrading? Well, right now I can't honestly say it would be worth it, but it is early days. Yeah, so apart from that, everything else seems pretty standard, pretty normal, pretty Apple Watch Ultra. It looks nice though. I'll report back in a few weeks when I've given it more of a proper test. So in the meantime, that's that. My name's Matt. My content is usually makery, quite a lot of 3D printing at the moment, workshoppy stuff, buildery, well, that's annoying. So if you do like that content, then please do subscribe as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, share your experiences, all that stuff down in the comments below. Thank you very much.